Okay, now good day guys. Welcome back to this channel. So if you are new to this channel, you know you've not subscribed, please click on that subscribe button, like and share. So let's take a quick look at our GBP USD for the day, which is for the 5th of December. So we will start with the weekly time frame. I take a quick analysis on this weekly time frame. So you can clearly see that this weekly time frame, this is clearly on a bullish move. Price is giving us a bullish move. One of the reasons we are having such a movement is that we are seeing a drop on our DXY or UXD, anyone you want to call it. There is a drop on our DXY or USD itself. So this is one of the reasons why any other PSV will be trading to our USD or DXY will give us a bullish move. That is one. Secondly, we can start this price is above our 10 period moving average. So this moving average I've included here is 10, which I'm using 10 simple period moving average. We all know that once this price is above our 10 period moving average, clearly it is a buy signature, right? So this price is above our moving average. So if you take a look at it, um, you will see that the last week, right, we actually opened and closed bullish. The upper one we actually opened and closed bullish. Even the third week, 3 weeks ago, we actually opened and closed bullish. Even 4 weeks ago, we actually opened and closed bullish. So this week, we will also be speculating a bullish move on GBPUSD. So that is it on the weekly time frame. Now on this daily time frame, to predict where this price will move for the 5th, we clearly can see that we are now making a bullish move. We saw that our price actually opened and closed bullish on Friday. Even Thursday, last week Thursday, we opened and closed bullish. Well, last week Wednesday, we also opened and closed bullish. So today we would also be expecting a bullish move. We would expect our price to give us a bullish move. Now I'm going to give you different reasons why we would expect such a movement. First of all, we can start. This is an uptrend move. We are seeing higher highs and higher lows, so we expect an higher. So we will see this as higher highs. Then we will take this as a correction. Then we will see this as a new highs. Then here comes the correction, new highs, and here we will take this as a correction. We see a new highs that this previous highs was broken, right? Then here comes the correction on this it here, GBP USD. We see this correction here, and now we have seen a new high. So we still want to see price to push up further, maybe to Wednesday or Thursday, then we start having a correction. So as of now, we are on a bullish move. Second reason is that you can see this moving average, right? You can see our price is above our moving average. Assuming this price is below our moving average, the advice will just be to start on this trade, or you see the price coming down to want to test the moving average, you possibly wait, you just start on this trade. But clearly we can see that this price is further away from the moving average and it is still pushing further away from it. So an indication that we will still close bullish for the day. And if you take a look at our DXY also, which is our USD index, this is it here. This is the DXY USD index. You clearly see that this is a bearish move. DXY is dropping. That is to tell you that our GBP to USD should give us a bullish move. So we would be expecting a further drop on our DXY. Remember, I've done analysis on DXY for the week, so check the channel to watch it if you've not watched it. So this DXY USD index, we're expecting a drop. That means GBP USD will continue a further bullish move. If the XY or USD index will continue to give us that drop, then we will see a bullish move on GBP USD. Now let's see what this 4-hour time frame actually sees. So clearly we can start. The pullback has been broke as occurred. So we can possibly be patient enough for price to actually break this candlestick which you are seeing here, which you can call it as a liquidity if you want. Possibly when price push further, breaks above it, and then you can go ahead to go long on GBP USD for the day.